The winner of the coveted 1984 Import Car of the Year award from Motor Trend magazine was not the Mercedes 190, nor was it the BMW 318i, not even the Audi 5000S. It was this car, the Honda Civic CRX. To win, it had to beat out some tough competition, like this second-place Honda Prelude and third-place Honda Civic hatchback. Your New York, New Jersey, Connecticut Tri-Honda dealers.
The United States government advises the residents of Blaine County and Cone County to remain indoors as multiple strange humanoid creatures have been spotted. This is not a test. Please remain inside and lock all doors and windows.
Master locks are tough under fire.
Blaine County Police found 38-year-old Mike Walson dead in his residence with big claw marks on his upper body. After an inspection, we found some strange poison in his body. Hide. Do not open the door unless an all-clear message arrives.
Deadbolt. I just smashed the door in. I could pick most locks with the credit card.
I know when you're home and when you're not.
This is the ADT SafeWatch Plus home security system.
They were asleep. They didn't even know we was in the house.
It links your home to an ADT monitoring center where trained security professionals help monitor your home 24 hours a day.
If I had a family, I want to protect them from guys like me.
When trouble strikes, ADT can take action.
Sound like police, there's a break-in.
ADT helps protect your family and home against break-ins and helps with medical emergencies and fires. Call 1-800-ADT-INFO for affordable security for your home. Only $195 installed and $19.95 for monthly monitoring.
The house with an alarm system you skip. The others you go for.
Call 1-800-ADT-INFO. You don't want to confront trouble face-to-face.
Multiple break-ins have been reported in both counties. It is safe now. Come outside. Everything is fine. Don't make this harder than it needs to. Hide now. More entities have been spotted in the area. Do not in any case go outside or let anyone inside. Wait further instructions.
Okay, class, let's quickly review Europe. Can anyone tell me what country this island is? Noah?
Island?
Very good. And just under that, we have a continent. Who knows what continent? William, can you tell us what's so interesting out the window? Okay, pay attention this time, okay?
Can I help you?
Yeah, do you have the new 911?
Yeah, it's right over here. You want to get in?
Really?
Sure.
Do you have a business card?
Sure.
Thanks. I'll see you in about 20 minutes.
It's a funny thing about a Porsche. There's the moment you know you want one. There's the moment you first own one. And for the truly afflicted, there's the decade or two that passes in between. From its first days on the road over 40 years ago, the 911 has ignited the kind of passion in drivers that only a Porsche can. And now, once again, it is poised to redefine what's possible. Introducing the new 911 Carrera. It is, quite simply, the purest expression of who we are. Porsche. There is no substitute.